Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack. And today I'm going to show you how to link Spotify to Instagram. So, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Instagram application into your device. Now, from here, guys, you would just simply go ahead and go to your messages on the top right corner of the screen. Now, here to connect a Spotify, you have to get to notes. So tap on the notes over here at the left side of the screen at the top. You should be able to see just curious or your note on the top of your profile. And near and now from here, as you can see, we have a new feature. I'm gonna tap on that now. And here you can just simply tap on the music icon down below. And from here, you will have a list of songs. And as you can see, you will have a new feature, link Spotify. Tap on it. So from here, when you tap on it, it will redirect you to Spotify and you have to grant permission. As you can see, allow Spotify to connect to Instagram by Delve Stack. Of course, I'm going to tap on agree. And after that, as you can see, we have now successfully linked our Spotify and we could tap on share from Spotify. After that, you should be able to have a link Spotify to your Instagram. And after that, proceed with your notes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.